The Air Force Airgun .45 caliber Texan is an impressive air rifle. The rifle was released a few years ago by Air Force Airguns and I was fascinated. Having wanted a big bore rifle, I decided on building a rifle based on the Texan. I created a CAD model to try to figure out how the mechanisms worked. With the help of some pictures I found on the Airgun forums, I was able to determine how the rifle functions. I own a small lathe and mill and designed the parts so that I could machine most components myself to keep the costs down. The barrel was sourced from a well-known air rifle maker in the USA. I had a lot of fun bringing the barrels into Canada at the Canada-US border at the time. This video series showcases some of the steps to building an air rifle. I'm not here to teach or educate anyone to build his or her own rifle. No plans are available at this time. The building of the rifle started back in April of 2016. I took many still shots and a few machining videos, but I had never intended to make a video. With COVID-19 in 2020, I have a little more time to focus on other projects, so here is part 1 of the 308 build. If you enjoyed this video and like to see more, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.